really be trying to tell y'all. They don't play about me. Yeah, I'm her. I'm that. What up, though? All right, y'all. So, she right there. Okay? And I'm about to just walk up and see if she let me chill with her on the patio. See what she do. Because the other one is up here. Archangel Michael. No, that's Megatron. This is Michael. So I'm gonna walk up one more. Mm-hmm. Still there. I'm gonna walk up one more. Still there. So now we're chilling. What I tell y'all about opening up? Normally, if you don't know what it is, they would have flew. What bird you know let you get this close?